Hello, this video is to go over the research proposal part 2 assignment, which is the methods section. And in the assignment, you are being asked to create a short one-page aim per page method section that contains all of the elements listed in the rubric for the research proposal. So I've highlighted those over here. And in this document, the guidelines for this assignment. So this first comment just gives you an overview of the assignment and what to include. And it says go to the rubric, see the rubric for the required elements. And so those are all here: participants, design, materials, procedure. Participants, design, materials, procedure. So in this document, what you have is just these different sections with an example that I've taken. Well, so this example that I'm using, it's from a much longer paper, but I've provided a sufficient level of detail as to maybe even more than what we're looking for your study, since your study hasn't actually been conducted. It's just a proposal, but it's really an example to give you an idea of what these sections should be containing. And then there's additional guidance in the comments over here for each section. For design, I just want to point out it describes the study, but something else we're looking for the class purposes, right? You might not see it stated so bluntly in a real paper, but we want you to state whether your study was a true experiment, quasi-experiment, case study, longitudinal design, or possibly a different design that might be covered in the readings. Might have left something out there, but these are the major groups that you'll want to classify your study as. Then also say why. So for example, this first sentence is what we're looking for. Okay, and this assignment, each section is worth 2.5 points. And if you follow the rubric, and hopefully this example gives you some guidance, you should do fine. And with 2.5 points for each section, it's 10 points total. And that will be added extra to your grade when you complete this assignment. Thank you.